All right.
Well, this is the last day.
I'll be glad when this day is over.
Well, I bet you
Thanks.
will, Ted. I'll be rather glad, too.
Yeah. All right.
Everybody quiet. Keep it down. Quiet. Quiet! Quiet on a set. Ready?
Yep.
All right, DeBeck, this is it. Give it everything you've got. Hey, you, bullfighter in the foreground. Hold your stomach in. Stick out your chin. Try to be happy.
Okay, turn him over.
Scene 361, take 8.
This is the finish now. Let's make it good. All right? Action. Okay, cut. How's it for sound?
Okay for sound.
Cameras?
Okay.
Hold it for a still, please.
All right, still picture, folks. Still in the background. All right.
Now, Mr. Beck, just at the moment you're in love with the lady. Miss Woodward, just at the moment you're in love with the bullfighter. That's fine. Now hold it. Still. Okay, it's in the bag.
Okay. All right, folks, that's all.